Good morning, everyone. My name is Shriparna Gangopadhyay, and today I am going to present my PPT on role of IASE in-service teacher training programs. IASE. IASE stands for the Institute of Advanced Studies in Education. IASE refers to institutions in India that focus on teacher training and education. It was established in the year of 1950 and is located in Sardar Sheher, Rajasthan. It is recognized as a deemed to be university by the University Grants Commission UGC. 31 ISCs were sanctioned and are established across various states in India. The functionality of ISCs varies by different states. Now let's see the role of ISC in in-service teacher training. The main role of IASE is to improve the quality of teacher education, and they mainly focuses on secondary and senior secondary levels. IASE achieves this by providing various trainings and facilities to teachers who are in service, like advanced teacher trainings, educational research, resource development, and academic guidance. ISCs help in the professional development of teachers by the following ways. They organize various refresher courses, orientation programs, workshops, conferences, seminars, and in-service training programs. These help teachers to develop their professional knowledge of their own subjects. ISC also helps on focus on pedagogical skills. ISC provides training to in-service teachers in the following areas, like the innovative and modern teaching methods. Innovative and modern teaching methods help make teaching even easier and more interesting. ICT in education, use of digital tools and ICT are a very important part of modern education. So ISCs provide trainings based on ICTs to teachers who are in service. They also teach about activity-based and learner-centric approaches, continuous and comprehensive evaluations, and provide update and training to teachers according to new curriculum reforms. ISCs provide academic guidance. They provide support, feedback, and guidance to institutes like DIETS and CTEs. DIETS, which stands for the District Institute of Education and Training, and CTEs for Colleges of Teacher Education. They monitor the function of DIETS and CTEs and also provides in-service training to teachers, principals, and staffs of DIETS and CTEs. They provide support like teaching learning materials and also provide various skill-based trainings like the use of digital tools, modern technology like ICT to DIETS and CTEs. ISCs also plays a very important role in research and innovation. They conduct advanced researches and resource development. They focus on advanced instructional teaching methods. These advanced instructional teaching methods are very important in today's world as they make teaching even more interesting as well as easier. And ISCs also does various research which helps to solve classroom oriented problems, and they also encourages teachers to research on classroom challenges and find scientific approach to solve them. ISC also plays a very important role in new education initiatives like the introduction of new pedagogical methods and implementation of these methods into school. They provide data and feedback to NCERT and SCERTs. They also has a very important role in implementation of the National Education Policy NEP 2020. IASCs also train teachers who are in service in understanding these new reformed policies and how they are beneficial in today's education. IASCs also help teachers who are in service to understand the new evaluation systems. ISCs also has a great role in subject enrichment courses. They organize various courses for in-service teachers to enhance and broaden their subject knowledge, organize subject-specific in-service programs, develop subject-specific resource materials for teachers who are in service. This helps them broaden their already existing subject knowledge, and thus they help teachers to deliver their subject knowledge more effectively to students. They update teachers with subject-specific new developments and research findings which are going on in the subject-related fields. Thank you.